Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the quick and easy steps to allow background sync permission on the Facebook app for PC based on the new update. Whether you're trying to stay connected or receive real-time notifications, enabling this setting is essential. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once the app is open, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on those. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on App Info. This will take you into your system's settings page for the Facebook app, where you can manage its permissions and usage. Now, once you're in the App Info section, you'll need to scroll down and select Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls related to the app's functionalities on your PC. Within Settings, look for an option labeled More Settings and Permissions and click it. This is where the background sync option is located. Now find the background sync setting. You'll see a toggle or drop-down menu next to it. Go ahead and choose Allow to enable background syncing for the app. And just like that, you're done. Facebook can now sync in the background, ensuring that you never miss an update, message, or alert, even when the app isn't actively running. This update makes managing permissions a lot smoother, and allowing background sync can really enhance your Facebook experience by keeping everything up to date without needing to refresh manually. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.